Online fashion stores offering trendy clothes at rock bottom prices can be tempting, but not all of them deliver what they promise. Today we're looking at Buytavo.shop. Is it a legit fashion store or a fake site you should avoid? Let's dig in. So Buytavo.shop presents itself as an online clothing retailer with a wide range of apparel from dresses and tops to outwears and casual wear, all showcased with stylish photos and steep discounts. The setup looks slick and professional, but looks can be deceiving. Before clicking buy, we need to see if this store is actually trustworthy. Here's what independent check reveal. Buytavo.shop's web domain is very new, recently registered, and the owner information is hidden behind privacy protection. That's common for short-term or disposable sites, often associated with risky or scam operations. Website safety tools give Buytavo.shop low trust and risk scores, hinting at minimal online presence and little verified history. Legitimate online retailers usually have strong digital footprints and established records. Unlike reputable fashion brands, Buytavo doesn't appear on established review platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or credible fashion forums with verified buyer feedback. That means we don't have real user experiences to confirm orders arriving on time as described. Here's what sometimes happens with unverified or high-risk fashion sites like this. Orders never arrive. Items are low quality. Returns and refunds are difficult or ignored. Price bait tactics, flashy up to 80% banners that aren't realistic. Even if the product does show up, it might not look anything like the advertised pictures. You might consider trying Buytavo.shop only if you pay with a buyer protected method like PayPal or credit card. You order a low cost item first to test shipping and quality, and you understand that there's a risk of disappointment or refund trouble. Even then, don't count on solid customer service or reliable returns. So is Buytavo.shop legit or fake? Based on its recent domain, hidden ownership, low trust scores, and lack of independent reviews, Buytavo.shop doesn't inspire confidence as a trustworthy fashion retailer. Our recommendation is to avoid spending money here, especially on higher price items. Stick with known fashion stores with clear reviews, transparent policies, and good buyer protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.